Trends and flats. So one of the most common themes on the Forex market is a trend. Let's try to understand what a trend is exactly. For example, this is how the price has been moving over a certain period of time. Then, as you can see here, we can draw a diagonal line underneath the price, which the price seems to be bouncing off. This line is called the support line. It indicates an upward trend. It means that the price is bouncing off upwards of this line and continuing its upward movement. And so what you can expect in a situation like this is that the price will once again come close to the line and bounce off it and keep moving upwards. And that's how you use the support line. So if you notice that the price has bounced off a diagonal line a couple of times in a row, then there is a good chance that it will bounce off the support line one more time, or at least one more time, and that's how traders using technical analysis would enter into a buy order. A downward trend is very similar, but it's just happening in the opposite direction. So here we can draw a red line above the price, and which is kind of not letting the price go up, which is forcing the price to go down. And this line, therefore, is called a resistance line. And once again, here you can expect that the price will go towards the line, and there's a high chance that the price will bounce off the line again and continue its movement downwards. So this is called a downward trend, and the line is called a resistance line. And the third type of market is a flat market. In this case, we can't draw a support line or resistance line because the market is kind of flat. It's moving sideways. Some people call a flat market a sideways trend. I kind of try to stay away from that definition because there is actually no trend in the market, so why bother calling it a sideways trend? Finally, in regards to trends, it's always important to check the overall trend on the market. So if the euro dollar is going down, then whatever your other technical analysis suggests, it's always more favorable to trade downwards. If the British pound dollar is going up overall, then you would favor more the signals that tell you to trade upwards. So it's called trading with the trend, and you'll notice that we will be doing that in our live real Forex trading in this course.